Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp web. By following these simple steps, you can maintain your privacy and control who sees your online activity. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type in the search bar, WaWeb Plus for WhatsApp. Step 3. Click on the link that is for Google Chrome. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. Once it opens, go to the Enhancement tab and in the Privacy section, check the box next to Hide Online Status, Invisible Mode. By enabling this feature, you can browse and use WhatsApp web without showing your online status to others. It's a great way to maintain your privacy and have more control over your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to hide their online status on WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.